Okay, what is that? 45, about 45 psi. What's your name, buddy?
Jay!
What do they call you? What's your nickname? JJ. And what are you trying to do?
Push the buttons and the rocket's gonna launch.
Okay, well, we'll see. Press the button.
Take a picture of it.
I think it's going to hit you.
What, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, no, this one. I did one.
Okay. You want to do that again?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
We take some picture. You have to do it like Despicable Me.
How about we'll put 50 psi?
Okay, 50 PSI.
Yeah. Okay, that is 50 psi. I was going to make you do a countdown.
Kind of loose.
What do you have to say, JJ?
Bye-bye.
Alright, yeah, so this is the 9-volt battery, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is a sprinkler valve. See that arrow up there? You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Connects to this. Hold on. Hold on, buddy. There you go.
You took that all
I took this from old bicycle tire that I found across the street from my house. So yeah, these are useful. And here are the rockets, right? Right, JJ? Mm-hmm. We also have the big rockets. So we have another one here. Same exact thing as that one right there. So we have two. So pretty much you can. There were other people or other adults. I would have them go to the other side and we'll pretty much shoot each other. Right, JJ? And the big rocket is right here.
Do that one.
With a parachute.
Do it that one. Do it with that one, Daddy.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to work though.
I think it is.
Do you think it will?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm trying to make something right here. No, you can't just pull it like that. Pretty much what... So what is this right here, JJ?
Okay.
What is this place? You put the what?
The Armies and the Ninjas.
The Armies and the Ninjas, and what's going to happen?
It's going to pop out.
It's going to split open, and
The parachute.
the parachute will fly, right?
Then all the armies are going to get out, and it's going to be a bunch of armies all over here.
Oh, okay, cool.
And then I'm going to catch it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You like it? Well, we can't really fire it because there's too many people, and we might end up hurting them. So we can't really do that, JJ. Yeah?
It could work.
Hey, I don't know if it will work, but
It will.
we don't want to try that yet because there's too many people. Don't you think? And if the big rocket hits someone, then Daddy's going to get in trouble. You don't want Daddy to get in trouble, do you? No. So bye-bye for now. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoy the show.
I hope you enjoy the show.
Or the clip. Okay, bye-bye.